Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model Y in the UK. Start by confirming your home electric supply and socket type, then decide between slow home charging or faster public chargers. Learn to read charger power in kW, select tethered or untethered cables, and plan charging around range needs. I will guide you through connector types, charging speeds, and simple cost-saving tips to make charging routine and stress-free. In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model Y in the UK. For home use, choose a dedicated wall charger to cut charging time and improve safety, and consider smart features like scheduling and load balancing. Avoid relying on a 3-pin plug, except for emergencies. I'll walk you through comparing power ratings, installation basics, and how to set charging limits so your car is ready when you need it without surprising bills. In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model Y in the UK. Quick recommendation: if you want cleaner floors while your car top-ups, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smart voice control and hands-off cleaning. It's great for busy EV owners who value time and tidy homes. If that sounds useful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to charge Tesla Model Y in the UK. When using public chargers, always check connector type and kW rating to match your vehicle's acceptance rate, and compare prices to avoid costly sessions. Use apps to see availability, start charging remotely, and plan stops along longer routes. I'll cover how to plug in, use charge cards or contactless payment, and safely disconnect to get back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.